Capitalizing on the AI Revolution, a strategic guide for success. Do you know you can get rich with the help of AI just by using it to solve problems in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or retail? Watch till end to get it. Welcome, AI enthusiasts, to the AI Wealth Creator, the channel where we decode the secrets of success in the era of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we embark on a journey to unravel the strategies that will help you capitalize on the AI revolution. From industry-specific applications to data monetization, we've got a comprehensive guide to ensure you not only stay ahead, but thrive in this transformative landscape to get wealthy. If you're ready to ride the wave of the AI revolution, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The advent of artificial intelligence, AI, has ushered in a new era of technological advancement, transforming industries and reshaping the business landscape. As organizations increasingly integrate AI into their operations, there emerges a plethora of opportunities for individuals and businesses to capitalize on this revolution. Follow the following guide to stay ahead of time and earn millions with AI. 1. Understanding the AI landscape. Begin by developing a comprehensive understanding of the AI landscape. Familiarize yourself with the different branches of AI, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Stay informed about recent advancements, trends, and applications across industries. 2. Identify industry-specific applications. Recognize the potential impact of AI in your specific industry, whether it's healthcare, finance, manufacturing, or retail. AI offers tailored solutions to enhance efficiency, decision-making, and customer experiences. Identify areas within your industry where AI can create value and address pain points. 3. Embrace AI in operations. Integrate AI into your business operations to improve efficiency and decision-making. Implement AI-powered tools for data analysis, automation, and predictive modeling. By leveraging AI in day-to-day operations, businesses can streamline processes, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. 4. Invest in AI talent. Building a skilled workforce capable of harnessing the power of AI is essential. Invest in training programs and recruit professionals with expertise in AI development, data science, and machine learning. Cultivating a workforce that understands and embraces AI will position your organization for success. 5. Explore AI-driven innovation. Encourage a culture of innovation within your organization by exploring AI-driven projects. Foster collaboration between departments to brainstorm and implement creative solutions that leverage AI technologies. Embracing a mindset of continuous improvement will keep your business at the forefront of the AI revolution. 6. Data monetization. Recognize the value of data as a strategic asset. Explore opportunities to monetize data by providing insights, analytics, or developing data-driven products and services. AI thrives on quality data, making data monetization a lucrative avenue for capitalizing on the AI revolution. 7. Partner with AI experts. Collaborate with AI experts, startups, or established companies specializing in AI solutions. Partnerships can accelerate your AI initiatives, providing access to cutting-edge technologies and expertise. Strategic alliances can also open doors to new markets and customers. 8. Stay compliant and ethical. As AI continues to evolve, regulatory frameworks and ethical considerations become increasingly important. Stay abreast of relevant regulations and ensure that your AI applications adhere to ethical standards. Building trust with customers and stakeholders is crucial for sustained success. 9. Leverage AI for personalization. Harness the capabilities of AI to deliver personalized experiences to your customers. Implement AI algorithms to analyze customer behavior, preferences, and interactions, enabling you to tailor products, services, and marketing strategies. Personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives customer loyalty and retention. 10. Implement AI in marketing and customer engagement. Capitalize on AI-powered marketing tools to optimize campaigns, target the right audience, and analyze performance. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can enhance customer support and engagement, providing instant assistance and improving overall customer experience. By integrating AI into your marketing efforts, you can gain a competitive advantage in the digital landscape. 11. Explore AI in research and development. Investigate how AI can accelerate research and development processes. Whether it's drug discovery in the pharmaceutical industry, product design in manufacturing, or algorithmic trading in finance, AI can significantly speed up innovation. Embrace AI-driven simulations, predictive modeling, and optimization algorithms to stay ahead in your R&D endeavors. 12. Continuous learning and adaptation. The field of AI is dynamic, with constant advancements and evolving technologies. Foster a culture of continuous learning within your organization. Encourage employees to stay updated on the latest developments in AI, attend conferences, and participate in training programs. Adapting to new methodologies and technologies will ensure that your business remains at the forefront of the AI landscape. 13. Monitor and evaluate AI performance. Regularly assess the performance of your AI applications to ensure they meet expectations and deliver value. Implement key performance indicators, KPIs, and analytics to measure the impact of AI on various aspects of your business. Continuous monitoring allows for adjustments and improvements, maximizing the benefits derived from AI implementations. 14. Secure AI systems. With the increasing reliance on AI, cybersecurity becomes paramount. Safeguard your AI systems and data against potential threats. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive information and ensure the integrity of AI algorithms. Addressing cybersecurity concerns is essential for maintaining trust among stakeholders and safeguarding your business's reputation. 15. Scale AI implementations. Strategically, as your organization experiences success with AI implementations, consider scaling strategically. Identify opportunities to expand AI applications across different departments or business functions. Scaling efficiently requires careful planning, resource allocation, and a thorough understanding of the potential impact on existing workflows. The AI revolution is an ongoing journey, and success lies in the ability to adapt, innovate, and leverage AI technologies effectively. By embracing personalization, optimizing marketing strategies, exploring applications in research and development, fostering continuous learning, monitoring performance, securing AI systems, and scaling strategically, businesses can not only capitalize on the current AI wave, but also position themselves as leaders in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, by which you can earn a lot of money. That concludes our deep dive into capitalizing on the AI revolution. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. For more insights on How to the AI Wealth Creator, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace the power of artificial intelligence. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and the AI Wealth Creator.